Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're claiming that the Intersect tool doesn't work. Well, I got it to work and I know how they did it wrong. If they select all these items and you can see something wrong right here, there's 10 objects. If you go to Intersect, it doesn't intersect it. That's because this is a must. These items must be grouped together. This is a pretty cool pattern. I'll tip my hat to him. So now if we select it, we only have 2 objects selected and you can intersect it. And then you always get this. I'm going to go ahead and make it black and take away the outline. Now let's move this thing over here and let's make it 4 inches. I've got my nudge factor already set on 4. This is the one, everything is symmetrical on the outside, so it doesn't really matter what's on the inside. So I'm going to Control D and move that over, and look what it's doing. It's making the same pattern over and over. Now, you could mirror it, and the pattern will change inside. And if we look at that compared to, let's make another copy of it. Let's look at that one compared to, I'm just going to Control D and then move that down. Look at the difference in the pattern. Like, well, it's almost the same. He did a really good job symmetrically. But if you look, these two are kind of going uphill. These two, well, you know what? It might even be the same. And then you can just hit the plus key again, and instead of changing your nudge factor, just make it 4. Now to make the yellow, we can just right-click yellow, and then I'm going to go over and put a black box around it. I'm going to hold down the Shift key while that's selected and double-click on the rectangle tool, and then make that black. Go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. Now, when we put a black, you can see some lines. So to get rid of that line, let's take this. This is 4 inches. Let's make it 3.99, the nudge. And let's nudge that over. Control D, Control D. Control D, Control D, Control D. One more, make it square. Now, let's turn all these yellow, because yellow is going to really make it stand out. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and double click on the rectangle tool and then make that black. You go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. And now you can't not see that telltale. You know, you can't even see it sometimes till you zoom out, but we're at the same zoom level. And on this one, you can see the lines. And right here, you cannot, because we've nudged that 1/100th of an inch difference, which makes up the thickness of that hairline that was separating when we filled it in. So, long story short, when you intersect, it's got to be grouped together. Anyway, hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.